Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we are comparing two of the most popular B550 motherboards on the market. The MSI B550-A Pro and the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Both motherboards support AMD's Ryzen processors and offer PCIe 4.0 connectivity, but they cater to different types of users. The MSI B550-A Pro focuses on stability and value, while the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F is designed for gamers and enthusiasts with its premium features and aesthetics. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with the price. The MSI B550-A Pro is priced at $145, making it a great option for budget-conscious builders who want solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F comes in at $179, reflecting its premium features and gaming-oriented design. While both motherboards offer excellent value, the choice ultimately depends on your budget and what features you prioritize. Next, let's discuss networking capabilities. The MSI B550-A Pro features a standard 1 gigabit LAN connection, which is adequate for most users but lacks integrated Wi-Fi. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F stands out with its integrated Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, providing faster and more reliable connectivity options. This makes the ASUS board a better choice for gamers and content creators who require high-speed internet access. Finally, we look at power delivery systems. The MSI B550-A Pro utilizes a reliable core boost technology with a solid thermal design, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. Conversely, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F features a robust 12+2 power stage design, allowing for superior power delivery and overclocking potential. This makes it an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking to push their Ryzen CPUs to the limit. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A Pro and ASUS ROG Strix B550-F offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with reliable performance, the MSI board is a great choice. However, if you want premium features and high-speed connectivity, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.